I'm Stefano Campanini, the owner of Petra Fine Art, a gallery in the Design District, and I'm here laying on a beautiful sculpture by Edgar Negret. He is one of the most prolific and important artists of South America. He is characterized by having shown really all over the world. He had an important show at the MoMA in 1958. It's a very important sculpture, very poetical for the movements, the waves, the passages from one piece to the other. It's definitely an important painting. And behind me I have a painting by Marco Otero. Marco Otero is an Argentinian artist, really quite famous, very well known all over. He had marvelous shows in Europe, in the States with us, and all over South America. It's a beautiful work that abstract between the emotional and the rational, and is a colorful, powerful statement. And beside Marco Otero, I got the works of Darlene Shaw. She is a wonderful artist from France. The movements are so important in her works, and the space in between all these parts, these elements, the composition, the structure of the painting. Then we got Douglas Leonidas Maroulis. He is from Greece, and following Leonidas Maroulis, a very good constructivist, a very important painting, small but good, by Alejandro Santiago from Mexico. Really relevant, one of the most important artists from Oaxaca. Very important to observe the texture, the straightforwardness, and how this painting is composed. This is a sculpture by Nadino Spina. It brings together the past, the pre-Columbian past, our history, with the myth of the future of today's, and future idols and past idols. It's a very, very important work by a really relevant artist from South America. And here are the beautiful works of Silvia Polotto. These works were shown last year at the United Nations in New York. She is an important artist from Brazil, living in San Francisco right now. It's full indeed. As we speak, she's in Istanbul and hopefully showing and selling her paintings. Last and not least, for sure, the artworks of Dasha Wright, a very difficult composition in multimedia with epoxy and so many elements in it, so much craftsmanship, so much patience in crafting it. Wonderful artist from the Czech Republic.